Okay, let's go. I was gonna do. Shoot, I forgot. Damn, I really forgot. Oh, we can do that. Yeah, okay, let's go. Oh, those are centimeters, I guess. Oh, pixel, okay, it's fine. How do you zoom in Photoshop? Not like that. Hey, Anubis, what's up? Okay, it's Alt. Press Alt to zoom in. Yeah, you have to relearn Photoshop too. Are we going to trash talk on Photoshop today? We need a daily target. Oop. Oh, that's a good start for Photoshop. What the? What's that? Ah, that's a stroke. Nobody like that. Oh, come on, he can't do it on the pixels. Hey, what's up, Johnson? I'm Corfitz. Hey, Will Traoré. Guys, I have the emotes coming. I think I can show you actually. How do you do that already? I like that. Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah, we don't care about that. 0. Okay, should be good. So in case you're wondering, I'm doing the lights on the Google Home. Small detail, but at least we start easy. Hey, Gabriel. Hey, Winoff. Hola. How do you save for web on PC? Isn't it common? Oh, it's not the same shortcut. Oh, it is. Okay, you have to do it twice. Reset. What should we use? JPEG should be fine. Oh, there's something weird. No, okay, it's fine. Thank you. I'm tired actually. I did some changes on the setup. It actually matches what I have there. Now it's more like this. I mean the camera, things like that. I also added, how do you say, like a retrovisor? Wait, give me a moment. Retrovisor. We have this in France. A mirror, okay. Rear view mirror. Yeah, that's it. Rear view mirror. Right here to check behind me in case the dog is pooping or whatever. But the thing is so small, I'm not sure I will be able to see it. If you see boy pooping behind me, please tell me. Where can we put that? Work fries, my room in 3D. Actually, maybe we should. Yeah, let me think. How is the Google Home exactly? I know there are 4 lights. Yeah, but those lights can have color, and I will use those colors. When you boot the Chromecast, you get the colors. Oh, that's weird. Blue, red, yellow, green, really? I'm sure we can find another picture. I already found one, but I lost it. Ah, come on. Okay, those are the colors, but that's not the model I have. So we need to find the right model. Ah, okay, that's it. Though we can't see much. Nest Mini? I thought Nest was Google now. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Blue, red, kind of orange, and green. Let me just check on. Okay. Boy is having a blast on the balcony in the sun. So yeah, we need to do that. I will not make it that sharp so that it's a bit brighter. I have the same one. What, dog? Hey Prox. Hey Bruno, before you start, I saw this amazing website. Is it made with Three.js? Air Force? Yeah. Actually, I'm not totally sure it's Three.js. Let me check. How can I open the links? Yeah, like that. Who did it? It depends. Some agency really avoid using Three.js. They have their own solution. This one looks like Three.js. I mean, you can do that very easily with Three.js. So yeah, this one is so cool. Check the link, everybody, if you guys want a cool experience. I forgot who did it. Hey, boy.
Hey, buddy. Wanna say hi? You wanna say hi?
Oh, it's my boy.
Hey.
He's agitated. T'as fait une bêtise?
Tout va bien? T'as envie de dormir? C'est le ventilo, mon pote.
I just woke him and he's supposed to sleep, but he's not sleepy at all. What's your Frenchy colleague? His name is Boy. Non, tu fais des bêtises.
Tu fais des bêtises.
Google Nest, yeah. Okay. It's pretty cool, but it's not evolving. The Google Home is that's not bad, but it's been like years and I had no improvement at all. You could do so much, but nothing. Clébar in Three.js? No, I won't. I already did my previous one for my portfolio, so no, I will not do it. And le chien. I thought that was Elgatolite. It is a Elgatolite. You got it right. By the time we get started, your live stream currently, I'm having less idea of what's going on. So if I complete your course, we'll be ready to go with your live stream. What? By the time we get started, your live stream. Oh, careful, boy. I'm having less idea of what's going on. What do you mean? Like, what are we doing in the stream? Attention, mon pote. Attends, descends. He's a bit agitated. I hope he's fine. Yeah, okay. He's being playful. Back to it. Yeah, okay, cool. I have a loop deck now. I can easily switch views. He's going to pee, that's for sure. So yeah, let's go. We need to create 4 plans. Yeah, I think I will create different ones. It's gonna be a lot of code just for those 4 little lights. So here it is. We can do. Let's put the cursor on that. It's supposed to be the center. Yep. So we have the elements. Yeah. I'm going to call this one baked. Because now we have something else. And it's going to be. Or merge. We can put the merge there. Baked merge. Yeah, why not? This one is going to be the Google Home. Let's go. Let's try to avoid Z fighting. Oh, control is not working. What the? Oh, that's weird. Control is working whatever he wants. Okay, who cares? Let's do without it. Okay, so those are the lights. Actually, I'm going to turn them like that. Okay. Yeah, we can just do like export, GRTF, not that important, but at least we have the same units. And we can do Google Home lights. Let's use LEDs instead. We already have a bunch of stuff about lights. Compression, do we really need compression for that much? No, let's remove it. We already have Draco anyway. Let's go. You make some emotes for the stream? Yeah, the emotes are coming. I think wait, I need to check that. So I press this. So normally you're not able to see what I'm doing, and right, it's working. Give me a moment. The emotes are coming. The emotes are coming. For the stream and also for Discord. I guess I can use both. Almost, give me a moment. Yeah, that's so cool. Actually, there's an answer. I need to check that. Up. And we close. So back to it. If I press that, all right, it's working. Damn, this thing is so cool. Here you go. Ta-da! What do you guys think? I think they're so cool. So this is Boy, obviously. And this is my girlfriend. No, I'm kidding. That's me. They're so cool. What kind of graphic card do you have? It's RTX.
How are you enjoying do streams on Twitch so far?
But RTX, not the latest generation. How am I enjoying stream on Twitch? I think it's super cool. I was hesitating between Twitch and YouTube. And what I like with Twitch as a developer is that I can do so much. I have so much ideas and I already started plugging stuff. We are going to use the WebGL inside the stream for the waiting room. The next project I'm quite sure is going to be a background for the stream, and it will be on WebGL too, because you can do that and the chat might be able to do stuff. I mean, that's so cool. So yeah, I'm enjoying, but there's so much to learn, like about those coins, beats. Hey boy. He wants to play. But yeah, I really like Twitch. Though I can't compare to YouTube because I never used YouTube, but I guess it's better, I guess. Looks great, so cute. By the way, if you guys have improvements, how do you say, like advice, please tell me. There's the main problem. There is one missing, a sad one. It's coming shortly. My main problem is that this one looks just like this one. I mean, he's happier there. This one was supposed to be like cheering, let's go, just do it, something like that. So we need to change that. But yeah, the rest is super cool, I think. I can't wait to see the latest, the sad one. Beats are just like super chat. Yeah, see, I'm just even more lost now. What's super chat? Hey, Major. Twitch is the best. Yeah, I guess the problem is that I don't think Twitch is great for coding and 3D and things like that. Maybe it's just the community that is too small, but I don't know, like I don't think you can really like have a lot of viewers and they are not pushing stuff toward that. We just have this science and technology category, which is anything. You can put anything, just a webcam in the forest. You can put people creating stuff. You can put digital stuff. We need more categories for that. And I'm sure they should really push that. Hey, doing fine. What about you, Goraba? I was showing the emotes. It's a work in progress, by the way. It's not. I didn't do those. It's someone on Fiverr. Super hit is a YouTube feature. Oh, okay. Super chat. Oh, okay. Super chat. Thank you for the sub. Mon FMD. Yeah, that is true, Bruno. Yeah, 100 viewers on a coding stream. That's already a lot. Yeah, some people told me that. I think we can do better, but I think you easily reach the limit, and that's sad because you can't do much like video games, like programmers, things like that. So yeah, anyway, I'm having fun, so I will continue. What kind of graphic card? Oh yeah, I already answered that. Do you think Blender might run on a laptop or MacBook? Yeah, it will. I've been using Blender on my MacBook Pro, which is 2 years old, which is bad, and still Blender is working. Obviously, it's better with a better computer with more powerful GPU, but it just works fine on Mac. Don't worry for that. We'll make some emotes. So yeah, that was about that. Oh, thank you again for the sub, Major. You can put just chatting and you might get more exposure. Some streamers do that. Ah, that's interesting. You think? Because I can do chatting too, huh? We can do coding and chatting. I've been doing too much chatting, by the way. Okay, Google, allume le bureau. Let me just check on Boy.
Hey, buddy.
Okay. He's having fun. All right, cool. Let's move on. So we have those planes. What's happening there? Okay, we have the merge one. Yeah, okay. We exported it, and now we need to create the light so we can say,
Hey, buddy, what's up? What's up, bro?
oh, I thought he was going to sleep, but now he wants to play. Sorry, boy. I've prepared a screen when I have to go on a walk in a rush. Check that. And I'm back. Oh wait, he didn't. Dog. Yeah, that's it. Is there more French or English people? I think you have everything here. Much better than the VS Code command. Yeah, and faster. Like when he's going to pee, trust me, you have to do it fast. Coding ASMR stream. With some typing and things like that. Alright, he's really having a blast. And he's destroying one of my shirt. So hard to stream with a puppy. Pop OS, I've just checked it. And I will not dive too much into it. Yeah, maybe one day, but I don't know. Rubik Master, absolutely not. All I can do is resolve it in like 1.5 minutes, something like that, and that's all. That's all I know about Rubik's. Once I got it done from memory, I was like, okay, I will stop there. Okay. So yeah, we need that. We don't care much about the quality. Oh, let's use PNG just to have some clean colors. Doesn't matter that much. It's gonna be small anyway. Is it the right one? No, I don't think so. Oh, let's save it just in case. I mean, save the PSD file. You don't have the shortcuts or quick access? What's that? My room asset, that's all I have there? No, I don't think so. No, it's not the right position. I can trash talk so much about Photoshop. So much.
Hey, boy, what's up?
All right, so the name was Google Home, just light mask. Yeah, something like that should be fine. Image only. What the F is that? Image only? What am I using to save right now? It's not the right thing. Ah. By the way, I've updated all my shortcuts. It's a mess. I spent like an hour trying to find shortcuts that work both on Mac and PC. In the end, I changed them, so now I'm lost on Mac, but it's going to be better on PC. I will regret that, that's for sure. Okay, it's here. Cool, so now we need to load it. Oh, by the way, we can close those. The loaders, yeah, we don't care. The word, we will care a bit later. The camera, navigation, experience. Okay, cool. So we add it to the assets. And now to duplicate, I need to do Command-Shift-D. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I can dig that. The name was Google Home Lights. So it's a long name, but I like this way. Oh, come on, boy. It's showing my foot. Shoo. If I knew I was going, I would have go outside with him, but I thought he was going to sleep. Seems like I was wrong. All right, so now we have this. We need to load the Google Home model too. So Google Home Lights model. Is that it? Google Home LEDs. Oh, LEDs. Shoo. That was LEDs, not light. Always keep the name right. LEDs. LED mask. Boy. 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 No. No. Come here. Hey, my baby boy. Don't even think about it. It's hard. Oh, come on, boy. Oh. Oh, sorry, I screamed in the mic. Just realized. LED mask.png. So no, that's absolutely not that. Google Home LEDs. GLB model. Sorry, I will zoom out just a bit because it's way too much and he's doing mistakes behind me. That boy. Hey, Scony. Check Garuda as well, PS. In the end, we all are just using Ubuntu. Thank you, Vaishkar. I've tried a few OS from USB stick. It was fun to try. I like the idea. Just plug it and use it. Going to solve it. Boy. Okay, give me a moment. Boy. No. 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 He lost one of his favorite toys. I don't know where it is. So, let's go. Alright, let's create a new class just for that, but it's important to fragment everything. So Google LEDs, that's all. .js. Oh, I can have it. Yeah, you won't believe where is this curly bracket on the AZERTY keyboard. It's a nightmare. Let's trash talk. Yay. We can do a little log. Okay. I had deactivated. Yeah, I know. That's on me. That's on me. We can do that. We set the room. We can duplicate that. Duplicate is Command Shift D. Yeah, okay. Set Google. So it's better than yesterday. Still, I'm not used to everything. Set Google. Let's go. Let's go. No, not this one. Oh, come on again. Oh, it's so hard. Curly brackets are so hidden on this keyboard. I know there are keyboards where you can just toggle between different computers. The problem is that there is a slight latency which makes them not very good for gaming. So yeah, I prefer to use different keyboards. Okay, so now we have it there. We are going to import it. So to import it, we can do... What can we do? Yeah, let me fix that. So Command Control Shift B. Yeah, that's it. Damn, feels good. And it was about indent. Brackets, in total we keep the current lines in notation and honor language defined brackets. Brackets only? Oh, probably curly brackets too. Like if I do this. Okay. Yeah, okay, this one is working. Let me catch up with the chat. I have the same problem with QWERTY right now. I miss the AZERTY layout. What? No, don't say that. No, you are used to it, Benjamin. Right. I mean, QWERTY is so much better. Show us your QWERTY. Tiny question, what is the width of your desktop in real life? The width? 2 meters? 2 meters, I guess. So it's a bit longer than that. Actually, there is enough room to put another computer there. The girlfriend is usually playing there. When you hear her screaming because she lost, she's here. That's why you can hear her. I'm switching. It's been 2 weeks, but it's super hard. And you keep switching between them, or you fully switch to QWERTY? Because for me, the QWERTY, you have this this layout. Let me find one. This one, yeah, like that. Oh, thank you. See, curly brackets, curly bracket, bracket, bracket. This is so good. When you do HTML, why not? You have the plus petit que, plus grand que. I don't know how you say. Chevron, maybe. I think it's much better. Dièse is there. Yeah, like on AZERTY actually. Parentheses. Oh, those are fine. Oh, they are so far away on the AZERTY. I mean, yeah, it's different, so we are obviously lost, but I think I will like it. I think I will do it. Yeah, 15 years, I guess. It's a lot. Curly brackets. QWERTY for the win. Yeah. There are other layouts.
Attention, mon pote. Tiens, on va ici.
There are other layouts too. I've heard of. Was it like Prebo? Something like that? No, I think I'm messing up with something else. I mean, even more developer friendly, but nobody can use your keyboard when you get one. Are those stacked PHP Elephant? Yep, that's it. Check that. By the way, everybody, the live version is available. Let me put... Oh, I have a shortcut for that. Don't move. Check that. Bam. Did it work or what? Yay! So you can test live. That's the last link. Oh no, he's drinking again. Oh. Je t'appelle Bruno ou Simon? I don't know. Yeah, it's Bruno. My first name is Bruno. Where's the QWERTY going at? Square brackets. Just brackets, right? Shit. I need to walk the dog again. Oh. Do you say LEDs or LED? We say LEDs in French. But you're right, we're not supposed to say that. But it's faster to say. Yeah, I'm sorry, I will have to walk the dog. Oh, I just started. Is everything working, by the way? Okay, it seems like so. Okay, see you in 5 minutes. He didn't pee.
Nobody.
Oh, he's going to pee behind me, I guess. So, did we get some troll? Hey, Mr. Glocks. Ah. Google LEDs, yeah. LEDs. Est-ce que tu as record? Tiny bladder, exactly. Okay, he's sleeping. That's great, actually. I will have to walk him again. I'm alone today, so I have to walk him every time. Is everything working, by the way? Test, test. Okay, it's working. Why does that last link isn't clickable? Oh, maybe I did a mistake. Let me check. No, it's working. You can't click on the last link. Guys, can you test that? Let me click it. Are both links working or not? Hey, Informat de musique. Informat de musique. I'm used to another guy named Simon. Yeah, everybody's named Simon. Simon in English, Simon in French. That's such random names. It was actually so hard to get like a good reference point. I mean, SEO, when you type Bruno Simon, have a good page rank. It took me years. Actually, this is not. Yeah, I need to update that. And yeah, I was fighting with the French. How do you say, coiffeur? You know, for the hair, things like that. It was quite crazy. So now it's fine. I guess I destroyed every other Bruno Simon, even Simon maybe. I don't know. Three.js Journey. Okay, that's perfect. It was a good fight. Both things. Okay, cool. That's great. Could you show your icon theme for VS Code? I didn't install anything, so it's probably just the community material theme. Okay, so let's go. Sorry, it takes ages. So this set model, something like that. And we can do this model. No, they're here. Okay, I can do it now. Yes, he's sleeping. That's perfect. He was supposed to sleep way earlier. We need, what do we need? We need to get the experience, so we can do something like that. Ah, yes, I need to find a way. So on Mac, let me just test something on my Mac. Command. And here it's, and Alt. Ah, yeah, okay, I see. Oh, so different. Yeah, we'll change those at some point. So we can do this experience. Call new experience, and then we can retrieve the resources. Let's put the fun. And now we can fetch it. So it's gonna be resources, items, and it's gonna be the one we choose there. Yeah, okay, it's working. So what we can do now is this model items. We have multiple ones, and those are going to be inside that one. So it's gonna be scene, group, and children, I guess. Yeah. So we can do. Let's make sure we have a clean array. Oops, what's that? This. So it was scene. Group? No, it's not group. Scene is a group, then children. Yeah, okay, and we get something like that. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Now we can add those, I guess. No, let's use item. Maybe we can do something better, actually. Ah, yeah, we need to set some colors too. Let me think. This one should be called like that. This one can be called model because we are going to have to set some colors. Oh, we need twig pen too. Yeah, we're going to use twig pen, that's almost sure. So now I can duplicate. Yeah, okay, it's working. Damn, feels good. And we can add those to the scene. So yeah, that's a lot of work, but now it's well set, I guess. Okay, those are the lights. Nice. What we are going to do now is define some settings, I guess. Oh, I don't have the chat open. Give me a moment. Maybe easier. Just started raining, but perfect background noise. Oh, nice. Yeah, I like the sound of the rain too. Where is it raining? Is it in France? Please no. You can always change name. Nah. I worked so hard to be famous as Bruno Simon. Let's keep it that way. I wanted to be #1 on the Google page rank. Morgan, yeah. Yeah, Morgan too. Up menu. Hello, could you show your icon theme? Okay, I already did this one. Alright, cool, let's go. So we need some settings. Maybe we can just, no, we don't really care about having the settings separated. What we can do is set the textures now. So, okay, this is it. Texture. We can do it before. It's gonna be somewhere over there. Okay, those are linear texture. I think by default it's linear. Yeah, okay, I think this one is linear, so it's fine. Then we have to create multiple materials. So let me think. Now we need to do things a bit better, like let me think. Yeah, we need something like items. Yeah, okay. So it's gonna be empty. Those models, we don't really need them. We can do children, child. I'm not very focused, so this is why I have to do that many changes. Children. I should be more focused soon. Now the dog is sleeping. Okay, we have the texture. We'll probably do some changes after. And now for each child, so yes, we add it to the scene, I guess. And now we can create those. So const item equal an empty object. Mesh equal the child. We can add the child to the scene. We need the material. Basic material because it's a light, so it's kind of emissive. And we can set like a color, let's say some red, maybe. And we have to set the mask, but we can do that after. Now that we have the material, we can change it on the mesh. Like that. And we can save those. So this is supposed to be an array. Yeah, okay, the curly bracket is there. I can't wait to help my, I was going to say children, my students, now that I have a PC QWERTY keyboard. Because last year it was a bit more difficult, especially because the lessons were all online because of COVID, obviously. And there was always asking, where is this key? Where is this key? How do you create a pipe? And they had very different keyboards, so now it's gonna be easier. Yeah, now we can save it. I mean, I hope it's not going to be online. It's not supposed to be online. Finger crossed. Because it does some really fast changes. Yeah, we need obviously import all as 3 from 3. Okay, something like that. All right, cool. This one is not working. Let me think. Mesh basic material, fog, true. What's the problem? Color. Okay, I did something wrong, obviously. Material, new mesh basic material. Oh, those are objects? Really? Why? But why? So I can comment. Okay, the comments are working too again. No, those are meshes. Oh yes, I'm so dumb. But I have more like this. I'm not focused yet. All right, cool. Yay, hugs. Hug, hug, hug. I can't spam, I forgot. Just keep a cheat sheet nearby, maybe the image of an AZERTY. Yeah, actually I have both keyboard. No, they are not QWERTY, maybe I said something wrong. They are PC's, PC's keyboard, and I have one, it's just not all the time. Worst key to ask students to find while teaching remotely? Using a AZERTY keyboard, I think it's easier on a QWERTY, right? What's the name? Is it a tilde? I think it's a tilde. Is there some discount codes? I don't know. Maybe some floating around on the web, I don't know. Maybe. But not a big one. But you know, guys, that we are going to do a huge discount when we reach the 9,000 subscription on Three.js Journey. And you can check it's coming. Was there an SEO advantage to use XYZ? No, actually, it was just for the joke. And I actually think it was a bad idea. I'm having a lot of troubles with emails. And some told me that no, it has nothing to do. And some told me that, yeah, it's because it's XYZ. I think it would be so dumb that the domain have an impact on the email deliverability, delivery, let's say delivery. But I don't know. I just know that maybe like 5% of the emails sent through the Three.js Journey domain are just lost forever. And it's a nightmare. Like when you try to register, there are 5% of people that can't register. When you try to retrieve your password, 5% never receive the password. So I have to do it all manually. And I'm losing like, I don't know, like 15 minutes every day answering to people that needs help on that. So yeah, I don't know. Oh, in USA, okay. We should be fine here. Yeah, indeed. And that's actually the least of my problems with Google, because most people use Gmail. I saw in Three.js Journey. How much time you spent creating your portfolio? It was 3 months. Actually, I have more details about that. Oh no, I don't have the link right here. 3 months, working, evening, and weekend, which is not that much, I guess. Shift key, top, left, most. What? Shift key, top, left, most. Oh, you lost me there. Well, why are we giving hugs? Because everybody loves hugs. Let's give hugs. Hugs. It was I was just testing the commands, and there was examples on how to have a count. So the example probably used hugs, so I used hugs, and here we are. Yeah. Shift plus where would be AZERTY. You think? No, it's not working. No, I can't do it. No, I don't think it's the same for me. Actually, no, it's the 2. Okay, I thought it was the little 2. Yeah, okay. So alt gr. Oh, and you have to do a space to get it. Oh, that's such a nightmare. Oh. There are things to fix, and you can be sure it will never be fixed. COVID-free hugs even. True. On QWERTY, okay. On AZERTY too, I guess. Alright, the space. Kick W. Alright, let's move on. So we have those. So yeah, by the way, we are doing that little animation. We will do something very simple, like they just offset. I mean, they just fade in and out, and with a slight offset in time. Should not be too complex. Oh, by the way, what are those? Oh, am I at the right place? Yeah, I think I broke something, no? Yeah, no, okay, we are fine. So now we need the texture. We can use it there. So we need 4 different materials, unfortunately, but it's okay. Transparent. Don't never forget the transparent. After that, we will do the smoke on the coffee. I think this one is going to be interesting. Too bad that it's going to be slow. We need a way to focus things faster too, because right now we need to move in, zoom in every time. So alpha mask, no, alpha map, never mind. And we can use the texture, and I think it's going to work. Yay, check that. So they are way too big, even if it's important if you want to be able to see them. Oh shoot, I forgot the rotation. Did I? Yeah, okay, now it's fine. Let's keep them big, but not that big. Oops. Something like that. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, okay. Oh, by the way, yes, we have the UVs, and that's all we need. Yeah. So I know it's too big, but at least we can see it from quite far away. Looks really scary in red like this. Okay, now we need the colors. We need tweak pan. Maybe I already have it. Well, anyway, it will update. Actually, I think when you do that, it doesn't update. This package does not have a readme. Oh, that's not the right one. Oh, there is a readme. What the? Okay, they didn't push the readme, I guess. I need to update. Oh, 7. Alright, that's cool. I will not do it live, but yeah, that's cool. And now that we have it, we can initialize it. How do you do that already? I've been switching so much between different tweaks. I don't know how to use them. I will copy it. Let's get lazy. Go there. How do you open a project? Command Enter? No. Control Enter? Alt Enter? Ah, shoo. I don't know. I know on Mac, but right now it's not working. Anyway, let's open it by drag and dropping. Oh no, that's not it. Oh shoot, I don't have it on this computer. Okay, give me just one moment. GitHub. Where did we use it last time? What was the latest project I did? Ah, the robot. Yeah, this project was cool. Feels like it was years ago. Woodkid Volcano robot. Yeah, that's it. Maybe I should add it to the starter. Let me check. I have nothing, right? Yeah, that's all we have. Stats. Okay, that's cool. Always useful. Tweak pan. So it's a pen. Pani, I don't know. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Let's go. So, I think it's pain. Is that it or what? Yeah. Then set starts. Yeah, it's getting better. It will take time to get used to it, or at least it's not like Benjamin Code that did a full change to QWERTY. I should do that. Totally right to do that. New pane, I guess. Let me check if I have some parameters. No, it's fine. Underscore, yeah, why not? Dot style, dot weight, because the initial one is a bit too small, even if it takes too much space on mobile. I don't really care about that. Set debug, and we only do that if the debug is activated. The debug is activated if you add hash debug in the URL. URL. Okay, like that. Okay, nice. So now if you add JS debug, you get this. Okay, it's working. That's cool. Let me check the chat quickly. I'm gonna start his course. Mine? The idea is start to create freelance project. Yeah, that's a good idea. Freelancing is the thing to do currently. Is make sure you have a strong portfolio. If you're looking for a job at a company, they most likely will looking for someone with experience. That's for sure. Octothorpe. What were we talking about? Yes, there is job in Three.js, but importantly, you need. Let me check. What was the question? WebGL robot. Yeah, that was it. Control K, Control O to open a folder. Oh yeah. Control K, Control O. Okay. But me, I wanted the one on the top. But yeah, it's fine. Control O. Okay, cool. Control K didn't do anything. Friendly reminder to the chat to take a look at Bruno's socials and the course. Yeah, let's put it. I have buttons to share now. That's so cool. Oh, you already did. Thank you, Fuse. You want? Hey, let's go. Those Google eggs. Can you make a dog? No, I won't. It's too long. I already did it for my portfolio. Check it. I already sent the link. Oh no, he's waking up. Okay, sleeping. So stressing. Where's my portfolio? Right here. You can see my previous dog. So you guys were answering to a question. Remap keys. Oh yeah, you can do anything you want with the keys. My main issue is that I have synchronized my keys between Mac and all my sessions. I have sessions on multiple sessions on the PC, multiple sessions on the Mac, so I synchronize them all. And it looks like it was a bad idea because you don't have the same keys on Mac and PC. And it's not just being ported from, I don't know, like command becomes control. You really have exceptions everywhere. And it was just a nightmare. So yeah, I don't know. The fancy name for the hash is... Oh, okay. Oh, really? Oh, let's use hash. Because I can't even say it. Octothorpe. Octothorpe. Sounds like a Pokemon. So where was the question? I'm sure I lost the question. Oh yeah, that's it. From Mark 007, can you find job in Three.js? Oh yeah. I don't know. Maybe my point of view is wrong, but I get jobs every day. Every day I get missions, and I have templates to answer those people depending on what they ask. And I always give contacts to other developers depending on what they are asking. And every day I have I'm receiving jobs. So it's freelancing, it's for companies, for full-time job, for mentoring, for teaching, for whatever. And it's more likely about WebGL, obviously. Okay, so we have Tweak Pane. How do we use Tweak Pane already? I forgot. I'm cheating. I have the code for the robot on my side. I'm sure I can find some stuff there. Oh yeah, okay. We need to create the folder, obviously. We can do that here. So we need the debug too. So Command-Shift-D. Yeah, I like when it's working. I will be less grumpy today because my shortcuts are better. Add folder. Okay, that's it. And I think it's an object. Yes, it is. Title. We need to use Google LEDs. And expanded. Yeah, why not? True for now. And we need to do that only if we have the debug. This way we can have a clean experience without any debug panel. Oh, by the way, see how fast it can render it. It takes less than 1 millisecond to render. So right now it's a bit small, so we can make it bigger. Still less than 1 millisecond to render. That's cool. Maybe if I zoom in, okay, now it's a bit more. It's nothing. We can add stuff without issues, I'm sure of it. Performances are going to be fine. That's what's cool with the baking technique. Okay, so now we should have Google LEDs. Okay, what's happening there? Too many errors. Oh, that's bad. What was that? Okay, that was weird. So now here we can tweak the color. So item color. It's a lot of work, but personally I think I like to do that. Like when you realize you just wrote, I don't know, 300 lines of code to do one small detail, it feels too long, but you're like, damn, that's cool. We are that much into details. So I don't mind. I'm just worried that the stream is a bit boring, but that's the price. So now we can add some debug. Let's add some comments as always. So I have the comments, it's Control-Shift-C. Yeah, okay. Oops. So if this debug, no, I always miss this one. This debug folder, and how do we do that? Material, color, okay, add input, color, view. Ah yeah, we have to use color view. Okay, I get it. So add input. No, it's not an object. So it's gonna be on item. The name of it is gonna be color, and we need to pass just one option as the object. So it's view color, because TwigPan doesn't necessarily know that this is a color, even if it looks like so. Maybe it's a text. So let me check. Yeah, okay, now it's working. And when we change it, I think we can just do on. Can we? Yeah, on. Oh, let's do something a bit more clean. Something like that. Maniac of indentation. On change, I guess? Yeah, change. Yeah, the keyboard is not in front of me. I think that's one of the main issues I have. So if we do that, we can update the material, and we do material, color, it's a class, so set this one. Yeah, it's working, check that. You can change the colors. Oh no, it's not the right order. Oh. It's not in the right order. Okay, anyway, it's working. We can, let me think of that. Let's use the right colors. Let me check the chat quickly. Amjad, this is all in the browser. Yes, it is. And if you want to learn how to do that, here's the link. I love to have just one button to send the link. The Pop OS gang. Do we really have a gang? Do you guys have a gang? I'm not part of it. My Mac starts crashing. I have an IDE, 3 windows of Chrome open, and mail. Oh, see? No, let's not trash talk on Apple. In Patat. Why are you talking about Patat? Potato. They are being silent now, but say giveaway, and they flood the chat. Yay. I guess. Oh, 100. Damn, that's a lot. Is that debug? Is that a debug UI? Yes, it is. I'm using a TwigPan. I really don't know how you say that. TwigPan. Pani. TwigPani. And this one is great. Almost perfect. Maybe there's a lack in the documentation, and sometimes it's hard to have. They have really special ones. Let me show you. Yeah, like that. This is great to have 2D coordinates, but this one is really hard to trigger if your object has more than X and Y. So every time I have to add extra work to just have one object with X and Y, and then when it changes using the tweak, I have to update my object. So this is a bit sad, but yeah, you can like just get this little grab and you can do that. That's so cool. So cool. I'm wondering if they are updating it. And then you can add plugins and things like that. Pokerite interface. So go make your portfolio and you get some nice project. Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, the portfolio is very important, and I have stories of some of my students that got into great agencies just because they did a cool portfolio, and the portfolio was rewarded on awards and platforms like this, and it jump-started their how do you say, career. So yeah, create a cool portfolio, but most important, create a portfolio that you like to create, because you're not going to spend a lot of time on it if you don't like spending time on it, which is why my portfolio is a game. Go win awards. Yeah, that's the best thing ever about awards. It's just to jumpstart newcomers. I think it's great. Bruno, too much work. Share it. What do you mean? Too much work? How did you do the render time debug? The render time debug? Render time debug. Render time debug. Ah, this one. Oh, it's a bit complicated. There's a thing important. Don't use the classic frame rate as a reference, and it's something I did wrong in the course. I'm sorry. Maybe I will update it, but it's really complicated to use this one. If you be aware that WebGL renders are asynchronous, meaning that it's not, maybe the frame rate is good, maybe it's bad, the WebGL might be good or bad regardless of that. So what you need to know is how long it took for the WebGL to do one render. And this is what you get here. So it's less than 1 millisecond, and it tends to be very different from the frame rate of your brother. Especially when the frame rate is good, like the performances are great, your brother will probably, yes, I know I say brother, I can't say it right, will probably be like 16 frames per second, but your WebGL is doing the render much faster. So if you have a good computer, you need something like that to be aware that maybe you did a mistake, and see like where does the mistake come from. So yeah, you can find it. Let me think. Utils. Yeah, that's it. I will send you my GitHub. Let me just find the button. GitHub, check on the Three.js complex template. Template 3.js complex, something like that. And there is this stats class. And I'll let you discover that. The problem is that this might bug on some browser and some WebGL, some computers, I don't know. For me, it's working. It's just for the developers. So for me, it's fine. But yeah, this is super important. And when I discovered that, I just step up my performances game so much. I need to add that to the course. MorganLeroux.com. Let's check that. Oh yeah, that's a nice gradient. Oh yeah, oh, I know. Yeah, that's cool. Simple, efficient, I like it. We just want to interact. Like maybe you should just add an interaction with the mouse, small one, and it would be perfect. Simple and perfect. Sometimes we don't need to do too much, especially when we have to focus on more important matters. Brother. I should not have said that. Brother. I can't say it. I like to say brother, just like Hulk Hogan. Greeting from Argentina. Nice, hello. Any course? Do I have any course on the web? Paf! Here's the link. That's the best course ever. Take it. All right, let's go. So we have the lights. Now we can play with them. So the idea is that we create something that looks like, where is it? There. All right, very simple. Let's not spend hours on it. Can we zoom a bit more? No, we can't. So the one on the left is this one. It needs to be blue. More like that. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. The next one is going to be this one. It's red. Maybe not too red. Oh, it's getting... Oh, that's weird. We have some sRGB problems there. It needs to be almost fully red. Yeah, that's weird. We have something wrong. Next one. Let's see, which one is it? Okay, it's this one. So it's almost orange. Yeah, the colors are so weird. Something is happening. Let's put full red on this one, just in case. Can you close it to and see? Okay, there's another bug. You can't close it. Okay, you have to click again on it. My bad. And this one, something like that, I guess. Let's lower some of those. I don't like the second one. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so now we need to save those. Oh, the order. Shoo. Ah, yeah, that's not gonna be that simple. Are we sure that will be loaded in the right order every time? No, absolutely not. That's almost sure it will be random, actually. Yeah, I don't like that. I never understood why. Let's see what we get. Actually, if it's not the right colors, I mean the right order, we probably don't care much. So, the first one is gonna be... What? Oh, that's cool. The right click is been... I can't use the right click or the left click because we prevent it to do this navigation. So we have to write it. So how do you say that? Hash, it was hypertroph. Sure, I already forgot. So let's go, here's one. There is a reflection on my screen, unfortunately. I'm sure Boyd did a P behind me, I'm quite sure. Is that a 5? The font is really bad. Maybe it's me and maybe I zoomed 81B, that's it? Yeah, okay. Then sorry. We can do that. Colors, and what do we get? Oops. What's wrong? Colors Y. Oh, yeah, I did some mistakes. I was drunk. Alright, that's cool. It's not working. Color. Oh, yeah, because I'm not using it, obviously. Let's go. So what's the order? Yeah, see? We get a fully random order. I hate that. I hate that so much. Blue, red, orange, green. Blue, red, orange, green. I'm sure it's going to change at some point. The order we want is... Where is it? Oh, never mind. That's it. That's the right order. Okay, that was me again. Let me check. Octothorpe. Pound, really? Ah, yeah, actually, yeah. Octothorpe. I will forget them for sure. Is the Three.js Journey giveaway still open? Yes, it is. We do it at the end of the session. Trademark colors. Let me check. That's huge. I will check the video. Sounds interesting. Crêpe or pain doré? What the fuck? Like Bruno, quick question. Vertex Shader does include always include in the shader material? What? No, you do whatever you want. I mean, you can create your own shaders. When you do that, you are using Three.js custom includes. So it's up to you. Usually I never use those, but if I want to use some parts, what's the name exactly? It's not includes, it's chunks of Three.js shaders. You can use those includes, but it's up to you. Colors can be copyrighted. I hope not. Imagine. He was a teacher. Are those colors copyrighted? He was a teacher. Me? Sure, YouTuber, follow or promoting it. In training, but I am front-end web dev. Bruno, what do you do in life? Quite a lot of things. But currently I'm a streamer. But soon I will start giving lessons again. I don't know, I've been doing freelancing, I've been working in agencies, stuff. Kind of thing super hard to explain when you're at family diners. I don't do those much, fortunately. What do you do in life? Website? Okay, great. Can you fix the Wi-Fi, please, in the printer? Hey, Isaac, what's up? I'm catching up with the chat, sorry. I can't do it live. Hey, Zen Budapest. Rome is looking good. Yeah, we are adding some details, some animation. Right now we are focusing on those little dots, which are always too big, but yeah. Maybe we can do something. The problem is that, see, when you're just on the side, you have the mid mapping doing some stuff, which is okay, but it's a bit too blurred. We can play with the filters. I think we will do that. And after that, we are going to do the animation of the coffee. Just a small smoke. Slow smoke. You see, I think it will be interesting. I never done that, and I don't think it's that hard, but it is very interesting, I guess. How can I enter the giveaway? At the end of the session, you will have to put something in the chat to have one chance to win the Three.js Journey. Oh, you put the official colors, thank you. I will go for mine anyway, because probably looking a bit different in WebGL or whatever in this scene. Low colors themselves cannot be protected by copyright. Okay, cool. Good to know. You never know. Coffee steam. Yeah, exactly. 1 hour and a half already? Ah yeah, but I walk the dog, that's why. It feels like much less. If you don't do it, I will place your wedding. I recently joined the Pop OS gang with a Pop OS t-shirt. Beautiful, this ready. Thank you, Basti UI. Oh, what's up? Are you going to stream today too? And show us your wallpapers? They are great. They are great. Me, I'm trying to sell that. It will be like the waiting of the stream. Because right now you can see like I have super cool waiting screen. Let me show you one. The next session is going to be, we're going to work on some WebGL stuff for the stream, you will see. Like a cool background, particles, things like that. Especially when we change to like this view. I have another view like this. We will work on that. I guess he likes waffles. Who doesn't? The raid yesterday was fun after the stream. Ori, it's sad that when you do a raid, usually it's because you need to finish it because you're too tired. And I wanted to stay and see what you were doing, Basti, but I was so tired. And actually, you know what? I forgot to cut the stream, so for a moment, people could have seen what it was to be in my life. No mistakes. I was still, I wasn't naked or what. Okay, tomorrow. Nice. So animating other than the coffee. Yes, we will do this. We will do the coffee. We will probably just do some small rotation on the chair. And I think I will animate the plants. And the main thing will be the lights. I want to create, to be able to change the light. It's probably not possible, but I have some ideas. We're going to test that. I'm going to create some light maps and animate those light maps. We will see. I think we will focus on the PS4 controller at first because it's easier to bake because there is only one element that has the light on it. And then if it's working, we will do for all the rest. And the idea is that at the end, the chat will be able to control the lights in the room. So that's when we use it as the waiting for the stream. You guys can just play with the room. And what I can do, but I will not do it, I know it's too much, is that you guys might be able to change the light here at my home because those are all connected light. So you can change its hue, Philips hue, and you might be able to change the light too here, but I think it's way too much. So we will stop with the WebGL, I guess. Can you let us control the monitor? Oh yeah, oh yeah, I totally forgot
It's
about
not
that.
too much.
It is. It is for me. Because if I spent like 15 hours on it, no. We already spent so much time on this one. I never had hear you speaking French. Yeah. Je peux parler français si tu veux. Baguette. Omelette du fromage. La Tour Eiffel. Nom de Dieu de putain de bordel de... Non. Can you add in an Easter egg into the scene of stream? Yeah, actually I forgot to add some. Maybe we can use that for the next Easter egg hunt. We'll see. Can we control your life too? No. Leave me alone. Face reveal when? What the? Are you single? No, I'm not. And she's not here today because she can't work from home every day, but yeah. Very random stuff, yeah. Yeah, we check your stream. But not after mine, because after I'm just too tired. Pain au chocolat, yes, I say that. Pain au chocolat. Not chocolatine, but actually I don't care as long as it's good. Do not... Whoa, what's that question? What the hell? Vive le Québec. Lol, imagine someone raiding and like everyone types color. Yeah, let's do that. I mean, it can be like disco. All the lights are changing. That would be fun. I want that. I want people to just spam the lights and that would be fun. Croissant. Le France. Hey Anto, we have many streamers today, that's great. Alright, let's focus. Yeah, the octopus is cool. It's behind me actually, there is really like a huge octopus like that. It's a stuff, the name is Stuff Animals. I don't think it's, we have this in France, I don't know if you have this in other countries, probably. Maybe you can import them, I don't know. And yeah, that was super cool. A bit expensive, but great quality and so comfy. Okay, let's go. So we have those, we can update them, and we just need to do update like that, and I did it again. And we can do the time, we need the time, I mean. Time, and here we can update it. There. Update. And I broke it. 72. Google LEDs. That's weird. When we update it, we update this one. Oh, okay. Oh, only when it's loaded. All right, I get it. Something like that. So what's up, Anto? When is the next stream? What website are you going to show? Those random French words are killing me. Fromage. Camembert. Three.js ray tracer? I don't know. I think there are some attempts on ray tracing, but no, it's not made for it. The one queue in particular was very random. Oh, back from holidays. Oh yeah, true. How was it? Those random French wine. Do you have a favorite French wine? No, I'm not into wine. I prefer beer, but any beer will do. I'm really easy. Not too sweet at all. I don't have le palais. Like I can't really enjoy wine. I mean, I enjoy wine, but I don't differentiate them. Thoughts on Unity, Unreal? That's simple. The fight, the war between Unity and Unreal is just great. That's why we have such cool games and easy game engine. It's because they're fighting and they're putting everything they have, and it's great. And both are really cool. I need to practice more. Actually, I want to help my nephew learn Unity. And I'm not good at Unity at all. I just tested Unity at some point, and I think I will learn Unity with my nephew and see where it goes. And I can't wait. I don't know why Unity. Actually, maybe we should do Unreal Engine. Maybe we should do both. I don't know. It's not boxing ring here. What happened? What other games do you play? Valorant, Apex, Death Stranding, God of War, Metal Gear Solid, whatever. Project Zomboid recently, Tarkov, but I think I stopped. I mean, it has a playful response. Unreal Engine, let's not start the fight. Unreal Engine, Unity. Valorant? Yay. I really like Valorant. It's clean. Like, the game is really clean. Like, you can change your crosshair. The maps are baked, very simple baked. I mean, they did a good job, I think. Unreal Engine, alright. What's your rank? I don't play rank. I avoid playing rank. I have to because it needs to be casual. CSGO, no, I don't like CSGO much. The game feels really broken. If you compare like Valorant to CSGO, I mean CSGO, it's a huge game. It's probably even bigger than Valorant, but in terms of community, but it really feels broken, like Blur. The game is Blur. What the hell? All this talk about Unreal Engine versus Unity when I'm still just learning Vertex Shader. We are doing websites, calm down. So it seems rude. Yes, I'm back from a day. We have a first creative dev program during the first week of September. Nice. Which means next days. I mean, next week. Big French agency. You can't say which one. What old game do you play? Sound Attack, Easy Man. Same as my word. So we have a chatty chat again today. I need to focus on the WebGL. Did you code the whole room with JS and the web technology? No, I did all the modeling and texturing in Blender. You don't want to create that many complex shapes using primitives from Three.js. You better use a 3D software. And by the way, if you want to learn how to create that, bam, Three.js Journey. Room model in Blender, yeah, exactly. Selling some of your art as NFT. No, I thought of it. I will never do it. Those, I'm not a big fan of NFT. I think it's great because we see a lot of cool art, cool images, cool videos, and sometimes it's even interactive, so we see cool stuff. But I've seen so many people do it just for the money that I'm not a big fan. I think it's great, but I'm not a big fan. And me, I'm more into like, I create stuff and I give it to whoever wants it, at least for the assets. By the way, if you guys want this model, just ask me, go in on the Discord server, ask me, and I will just give it to whoever wants it on the Discord server, and you can just do whatever you want with it. I don't care. Just like my portfolio is open source, almost everything. Not the course, but almost everything. Gods of Three. That's cool. Delirium Tremens. I think I already tried this one. I think. It's a strong one, right? And with a name like that, probably. The new Valorant map. Oh, there's a new one coming. Oh, finally. Battlefield. Yes, I'm waiting for this one too. Pavlov Shake. CS is dead. Oh, you think CS is dead? I think the community is still huge. You could do an NFT once a month like a Patreon. No, I don't want to. I don't want to create something visually like me. I like to create this and to just give it to the web and hey, check that. I don't want to sell it or whatever. Oh, thank you, Anto, for the sub. But yeah, still, we are seeing so many great stuff. So yeah, that's cool. Focus. Update. Let's go. So now we have the items. We can just loop on those. Oops. Oh, that's the button. Oh, by the way, we need to add new objects to the scene. I have a loop deck now. You know, the little interface with the buttons. I have, you know, the mirror to see the back there. That's funny. It's because I need to watch what's behind me. You never know if the dog is pooping. And I have a new headset coming tomorrow. because this one is it's falling apart and the sound is not great, and also the new one will be wireless. So we need to add those. That's the problem with this. We need to update of these material items. Yeah, okay. Oh, I did the curvy bracket right. So happy. Yay. So we need the I just to create some offset in time. So it's gonna be, I don't know, like index. We can save that and use that. Always use the same reference. What we are going to do now is play with the alpha. And to play with the alpha, we just need to do item, material, alpha. Is it alpha? Is it opacity or alpha? How can I forget that? Oh, it's opacity. Okay, that's weird. They should have used alpha. That's what I thought. Equal, we can do like math, scene, and use the time elapsed. It's gonna be way too fast, so we can lower it already. Those are milliseconds, that's why it's going to be way too fast. And we get nothing. That's great. Why? Why? Opacity. I know it's going below 0, but still we should have something, right? Oh, time elapse. Never mind, that's me. Okay, cool. That's great. Maybe 0, 2. So I know you guys can't see much, but we are doing that. Those little lights. And what we can do now, this one is going from -1 to +1, so we can do 0.5 plus 0.5. This one is going from 0 to 1. Yeah, looking good. And now we can just add item dot index. Multiply by 0.2. Oh, the index is wrong, obviously. This is so sad. Actually, we need to do it on the other side. But first, let's put them in the right order. So I don't know, how can I have those in the right order? Me, I'm using... Oh wait, actually, maybe... No, it's not changing a thing. I'm almost sure of it. What I like to do... I don't like to do it, but what I usually do is give names like that, like LED 2. Let's use 0 instead. I like to start at 0, which is clearly a developer thing. This one is going to be 3. And this one is going to be 4. No, never mind. This one is 3 and this one is 2. No, this one is... Oh, come on. 3 and this one is 2. That's on me. Then you have to order them according to the name. Yeah, I don't know if it's the best solution. Anyway. Because we did that, we need to make sure the order is right. Ah, shit. I don't know. This one. What was the order? Oh no, I closed the... Oh, okay, it's here. Blue, red, orange, green. The blue should be first. Red, orange, green. Okay, that's it. Let's keep it somewhere just in case. So now it's not going to change a thing, I guess. Yeah, but now we can order it according to the name. And I forgot how you do that in JavaScript. I think it's a sort, but we need to provide a compare. Yeah, that's it. And does it send something else? No, it changes the array. That's weird. Why would I do that? Anyway. Sort, so we provide an array. It's gonna be A. B. Is it big or what? Huh? No, that's not the way of doing it. You need to compare. I mean, true compare. What are those? Local compare. Oh. Maybe we can try. Anyway, the names are kind of the same, so it should be okay. Yeah, I don't like those. I think I didn't choose the best function ever. I mean, the best Stack Overflow ever. Yes, Bruno sometimes is taking stuff on Stack Overflow. Are you surprised or what? I'm sure this one is wrong. And the last time I had to do that, didn't finish like that. It's gonna be mesh.name. Oh, wait. Just name. Yeah. Last nom. It's a mix between French and oh yeah. Last nom. Name like that. Yeah, I don't like it. What do we get? This one is weird. Invalid query ID. Yeah, we need to check on that. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so what do we get? So it's the opposite, but we can fix that easily. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Why do we have this in the last one? The order is good, but inverted. That's weird. I did something wrong, right? Oh, yes. I knew it was me. Okay. And we spent 1 hour and a half to do those LEDs. Okay, let's change it from left to right. So in this case, yeah, it's exactly what we changed there. So it's gonna be minus, I guess. Yeah, that's cool. Let's change the shape of it. This one is a bit too... Oh, let's do something cool. Maybe we can add... Hey, boy. Oh. Okay, sleeping. Yeah, as I said earlier, I will have to walk the dog at some point. When he wakes up. Because after the nap, it's pee-pee time. Lucky boy. Oh. Control T. That's weird. Control T, come on. Oh, it doesn't match on the pixel. Oh, I hate Photoshop so much. Oh, yeah. You have pixels? No, don't clamp on the pixels. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be fun. So it's not centered. So it's supposed to be centered, but it's not centered. I love it so much. That's great. That's great. Ay. And you save it. The shortcuts never works. Okay, you have to do it multiple times so that it works. You have to wait hours to just open something to export. That's Photoshop. It's not going to be good because we need to iterate, but yeah, you have to save it again and again and again. I should have used Figma. It's not made for it, but it works better. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's reduce them slightly individually. Something like that. And we are done with that one. Yeah, I'm happy. So it's a bit too big, but at least we can see them from far away. Okay, we are done with this one. Let's push it. If you guys want to test it. Now we check the chat. Markers. Add Google Home LEDs. By the way, was the name right? Google Home LEDs. Yeah, more like that. And the name of the file too? Around 3D, static, assets, LED. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Oh no, break, LEDs. LEDs, okay, it's fine. Okay, that's cool. Where am I? Yeah, there. Can I merge from one branch to another without changing the branch? Git, merge. Yeah, I don't think so. I mean, I don't know how. Git, switch, prod, git, merge, main, git, push, git, switch, main. Yeah, that's a bit long, but it's okay. Okay, cool. In 1 minute or two, you guys will be able to test it. So, what's up the chat? You name them Google LEDs. Okay, cool. No, he used the course. What? Use Figma. Yeah, should have. Windows is terrible. Mac is worse, but no, this one was really about Photoshop. Vector shape in Photoshop or joke. Yeah. Did you learn Blender and Three.js on your own? Yes, I did. I mean, I spent some time on tutorials too, but usually it was very specific tutorials, like I need to do that, I don't know, so I check a tutorial. But there are big courses, really good courses out there. You can learn quite fast. And obviously you can learn with Three.js Journey. Here's the link. Good old Photoshop. See that? If the people ban already, be kind, DM me. What? What happened? Yeah, he hugs. What kind of rendering method do you have? I mean, like PBR is one, but I can't find what the previous most used technique is called. Previous? Or previously, everybody was doing the way they wanted. You had Fong, you had Lambert, you have custom stuff. But yeah, it's cool that today we have some kind of standard like PBR. Workout, yeah. I should work out too. I'm too tired. I don't really like Stack Overflow. Yeah, but sometimes it can save lives. Have you tried dog beer? I gave it to my previous dog. He liked it. But yeah, I just tested. It felt weird. What are you trying to do? You need to clone it. Yes, actually. That's yellow, isn't it? Wrong Google color though. Oh, really? No, I think that's the right one. Blue, red, yellow, orange, green. Blue, red, yellow, orange, green. Once your thing is up, I mean, once it's working, you just have white. But still, I think that people will recognize the Google Home more easily with that. Yeah, yellow, orange, kind of. I mean, it's above a gray leather, so fabric, I mean. Alcoholless beer? No, never. I don't see the point. La fin du monde? I never tried this one. The end of the world. Trickster. Who? Gotta run. Alright, bye, sudden attack, you're probably already gone. Cause ça va, ça fait un bout de temps. How old are you? Again. I think we have that question every stream. You try to guess. I'm sure some people here knows now. Know now. Breeze map. Which one is... Ah, the breeze map. I think it's cool. Let me think. Yeah, I just like it. It's fine. I like the fact that there is a... We are talking about Valorant, the latest map. I like how much you can use the middle part, but nobody is using the middle part, which is super weird. Like you have many ways to go through the middle part. Yeah, I really like this one. I really like the ice, what was the name? Ice box, ice something like that. Nobody liked it. I mean, most people didn't like it. I really liked it. Maybe because of the characters I'm using. Why Apple is trash? Yeah, soon. Count on me. Icebox. Yeah, oh, you like it too? Nice. Middle part, you are an easy target. No, what are you talking about? A new map will be, yeah, yeah, easy target. Yeah, that's probably the reason actually. You're right. Are all object parts of one texture? Yeah, I use only one texture for all the objects so that we can also use the light maps. You will see a bit later, so that we can control the lights, change the color of the different lights. We needed to put everything in one, actually you have it there. One big fat 4K texture. I need to drink. Don't forget to drink, guys. Oh. Give me a moment.
Hey, buddy.
Damn, already? Sorry. It's an old school bake. I'm using Cycles and using the classic bake tool. And I cleaned everything. I mean, I did the model, so while I was doing the model, I was making sure that everything was fine. And we did one last cleanup before, while we were unwrapping. And we did all the unwrap ourselves because it needed to be really perfect and optimized so that everything fits in the 4K texture, which was actually just the limit. Check that. If you zoom too much, see? It's getting blurred there, which means we are already a bit, like we have already too much in the texture. So it's just the limit. If we had more objects, the texture was going to be, 4K was not going to be enough. What agents do you play? I play, shoot, what's the name? I want to say DoKB, but I'm messing up with Rainbow Six. Ah, shoot. Oh, damn, I forgot the name. I always play this character. The German one. What's the name? Killjoy. Damn, I forgot Killjoy, what the hell. The bake is 4K, yeah. Which is the limit you have on some devices. Most devices can handle 8K textures, but I think iPhones, I don't know for the latest iPhones, but I know that you have issues on iPhones if the texture is above 4K. Killjoy is the best. Like really, every time I try another character, I go back to Killjoy. You can control everything and have knowledge and gain time. Don't forget to drink. Yeah. My coffee's temperature. I should add stuff to help you guys remind me to save, drink, take care of the dog. By the way, we need to decide on toys. Yesterday we had who was it already? I have the name somewhere. We have a donation for Boy from VOSN, so Vozen, I guess. And we need to find toys for Boy now. You already have so much toys. See, that was a donation for toys, so I need to find toys. Regarding the bake in the sun, I love it, icebox, yeah. Oh, thank you. I hope you will like it. Big journey ahead, 40 hours of video, good luck. Yeah, you will like her. I really like also Viper. Viper is great too. What kind of dog? Did you film, keep, stream, archive the bake steps? Yeah, you can find it on Twitch right now, and once the project is done, sorry, I have a hiccup, I will put everything on YouTube. But the project is getting so big, like we are at the 15th or 16th session for this room. But it's fine, I'm not that bored, so let's continue. Yes, I'm French. Labrador, oh, big one. Can you do organized giveaways for your course? Because I live in Algeria and we can't pay, thanks. We'll do the giveaway at the end of this session. Okay, let's go. So next part is the coffee. Let's do something cool for the coffee. I'm sure we can do something cool quite easily. And then I will spend 2 hours just tweaking the thing as always. Coffee, we say coffee steam, right? Is it really steam? Isn't it smoke? Yeah, because it's water, I guess. Ah, smoke is usually water too. Yeah, I guess we have many Frenchies. Yeah, let's use coffee steam. Is it how you write coffee? Why do we have 2 F and 2 E's? Yeah, okay, that's it. I mean, I think. Oh wait, just give me one moment, sorry. Yeah, coffee steam. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, damn, it's so cute. Yeah, we need a dog cam. Who's up for a dog cam? Maybe it's me being too much into my own dog. Should we add a dog cam or what? Tell me the truth. Is it too much? I can lower my cam and get a cam for the dog. I want to do it, but I'm just too fond of my own dog. I know I'm like that. So maybe we can start with a plane like this. Not too high. Yeah, something like that. I don't know, we'll see. We don't have coffee inside actually. Maybe this will be a problem at some point. Okay, then we had some subdivision. Something like that, I guess. Yeah, we can put a lot of subdivision.
Yes, dog cam.
Okay, we have to bat some stuff then. I mean, it's so cute. He's just like turning around, sleeping. He can sleep in any position. Oh, I just want to cuddle him. Today we did an experiment. I left for 1 hour. Didn't went well. He started barking and scratching the door, so we need to work on that. My previous dog was so independent, like we could left hours. He was just waiting patiently. But this one is a bit harder, and he got used to me, so yeah, I need to leave progressively. Introvert or extrovert? Introvert, totally. Steam is from a beverage. Smoke is from fire. Ah. All right. We are learning science. Science No, let's not say that. So steam. Okay, I use steam. That's perfect. Previous dog? Ah, yeah. Unfortunately. Give a hugs. Yeah, let's give some hugs. Refill coffee. That would be fun. No, I think the coffee will just be an animation. Actually, what's bothering me is that you will almost not see it. Like it will just be a slow smoke animation. But I think it's going to be interesting to do it. And I just want to do it. So let's go. We should watch actually some animations. Where can we find those? Maybe on Twitter. Ah, it's gonna be a mess. I wonder how people are doing it. Just like VFX or whatever. Oh, let's do it. So we can export that. I talked way too much. Coffee steam model. I forgot the model. Phew. I mean the model in this one. We need the UV, not the normals. We need nothing. That's all. Yeah. Okay. So let's change the other thing I just saw. I have way too much Windows 2. Google Home LED. Okay, we need model on this one. Because I'm a maniac with names. So currently we broke this one. Model. All right, just like that. Did I break something or what? Yeah, no, it's fine. Okay, so now we need, let's do something. Raw model, maybe we need to change that too. Control-Shift-D. Yes, it's working. Feels good. To not search for the shortcuts. Coffee steam model. By the way, this is custom code. You guys can find it on my GitHub right here. It's the Three.js template, complex template. And we load it. Okay, that's cool. It seems to be working. Now we need, oh, let's duplicate this one. I said, let's duplicate this one. You can't alt and drag and drop? No way. Oh, really? Oh, it's moving. Can we duplicate? Maybe control? Oh, it's control. Okay. That's on me. It's different on Mac. Coffee Steam, just like that. We can change the name there. Coffee Steam. I like to do those details so much. I just enjoy creating details. We're going to use some custom shaders for this one. It's going to be more interesting. Coffee Steam. Expanded. Yep. We can get rid of this part. And we're going to need this one a bit later. Okay, cool. We need to add those to this part. Sorry if the font is too small. Is it okay? Because I don't have much room. Maybe it's too small for you. I don't know. Coffee. No, coffee. Steam. Damn, now I want coffee. Too late. I can't afford to have coffee that late. There was a time I was drinking for me like between 4 and 6 coffee a day. Bad sleeping. Don't do that. Depends on the coffee too, but don't do that. Red Bulls too. No, it's fine. 2 coffee max a day. How much coffees do you guys drink a day? A 2D Steam, right? No, it's gonna be 3D, you will see. We're going to do some Perlins. By the way, what big city do you live near to? Paris. I live in very close to Paris. 2 to 3, yeah, that's fine. 4 to 5, yeah, it started to be a lot. You know that after something like 7 hours, we dissolve half of the coffee we had in the body. So usually maybe start of the afternoon should be the last coffee. 0, that's great. Maybe some tea. 1 or 0, oh, that's cool. And I have to, what's funny is that I knew I was taking too much coffee. Sorry, I'm into my life. Tell me if it's boring. But I was like, I need to stop to see if I can sleep better. So I totally stopped and it was better. And when I did that, it was right before my birthday and my friends bought me like a big classy coffee machine. And they were like, oh shit, it just stopped. And I didn't know. So at the end, they told me that, hey, we have the coffee machine. Do you want it? I was like, okay, let's go. Let's just do 1 or 2 coffees a day. And I've been doing that, 1 or 2 coffee a day with my super coffee machine. Tea is good alternative. Yeah, that's for sure. I had to cut back. Used to be like, 7 to 8. Yeah, that's way too much. I don't drink coffee every day, but I made a pour over today. Nice. Only 1 on the morning to wake up. That's great. That's what we should do. Also think of everything that boosts you up, like Red Bull, coffee. You lose focus, and that was one of my main issue too. Like you're awake, but you're not focused. So let's do some algorithm, mathematics, and maybe drive. It's bad because you're not focused, and it can really lower the focus. The problem with the focus is that you don't really know how focused you are, and you know you're not focused when you have an accident, by example. Yeah, you're like, oh yeah, true, I was just not focused, and when you take a lot of coffee, you get that. I don't know, I can't do hard coding if I drink too much coffee. I want to ask you something about UV texturing. Did you unwrap the whole texture? Yes, I did. Into one UV map and export to Photoshop? No Photoshop. Replace all the image into proper position or no, for the UV unwrap, you can learn everything on Three.js Journey. So here's the link. And yeah, it's just unwrap in Blender. You unwrap, and then I use my favorite plugin for unwrapping. It's this one, UV Pack Master 2. It will just move stuff on the UV to make them as big as possible and fit on the UV map. This one saves me so much time. It's great and not that expensive. 10 to 15 euros. Can you do 1 day overview of complex template? No, I don't think so. I don't want to do it. Just dig into it and you will be fine. What's the size of the back texture? It's a 4K texture, which is the limit on some iPhones. That's why I use 4K. 8Ks would be too much anyway. VFX mode, just pre-rendered videos with blending mode to screen. Nah, we can do better. I mean, use Discord as an animation. What? Discord as a coffee animation? Smoke, fax. You adopt a dog? Yes, I did. I have a new dog, yeah. It's been 1 week. I always show it on stream, but you probably missed this part. And by the way, when he wakes up, I have to walk him, okay? I don't think it will be the end, but yeah, of the stream. When I need to focus on my coffee, also only in the morning, yeah. How do you say distracted in French? Distrait. Distracted in French is distrait. I just quit smoking. Oh, so the coffee will come later, I guess. I bet. Alright, cool. Let's move on. So what will I do with that? We're gonna need a pattern and then some displacements. That's the idea. So let's go. We need to get the resources. Coffee. Oh, this one is wrong. Coffee Steam. Coffee Steam. Yeah. And if it's set. Yeah, okay. We update it. And here we should have just one more there. Yeah, okay, it's fine. So let's not add everything to the twig pan. We don't need that much. This model, let me think. Dot. We just need the geometry and the mesh, right? Let's use a material. Let's create a material first. I think you can use a shader material. The default shaders make it visible. Just like that. I'm really not comfy. I need to be more comfy in front of it or something like that. Yeah, more like that. That's one of the reasons I'm missing some keys too. I'm not used to it, but also I'm not in front of it. Yeah, like that. I should be just resting on it. I need a new keyboard. I need a new everything. What was the name? Coffee Steamer, yeah. Dot scene. Dot children. I guess there is one children only. I probably did something wrong. Let's see. Whoopsie. Coffee Steam. I forgot to change it or what? Coffee Steam model. No, there's something wrong. Mesh. What are those? Oh yeah, that's it. Items, coffee model, scene, children. This one doesn't work. That's weird. Mesh shader material. What did I do? Mesh shader. Come on, Bruno. Come on. No one saw that. Alright, cool. Then we can change the material. No, that's this one. And then we can add this one to the scene. Like that. So, what do we get? Yeah, okay, that's perfect. And it's done. It's a... How do you say? Sabre laser. Star Wars. Sword. Damn, I don't know how you say that. Lightsaber, that's it. Lightsaber. I think everyone was that. Do you want a mechanical keyboard? I don't know. I have a very old keyboard. It's okay, but still I need a new one, like smaller. I might be interested in a mechanical keyboard, and as we said for like 15 minutes earlier, maybe a QWERTY. I don't know. Laser beam. Yeah, lightsaber, more like it. Yeah, mechanical might be too loud. Especially for my girlfriend, so yeah. Will you be open to do a complex template? Oh yeah, I already answered this one. Okay, cool. Sorry. So we have that. I know I was going to do something, but I forgot. Yeah, too bad anyway. Yeah, okay. So we need some shaders. Coffee, it's been a while. Coffee Steam. Vertex Shader. .gsl, sorry. And fragment.gsl. Come on. That was long. That was weird. So fragment, then we can import them. Oh, should I do that? Let me think. No, it's fine. This one should be on top. I like to have like global external dependencies on top. Import. I can call it just Vertex Shader. We will have only one in it. Vertex Shader from shader / vertex. No, coffee. Vertex shaders.gsl. Please work. Maybe I forgot something. Let's see. Oh, seems I did. Can't resolve GLSL. Yeah, I forgot the... Oh. Yeah, I did. Oh no, I have. GLSL. I forgot something, right? Shaders, Coffee Steam, Vertex Shader. Oh, Vertex, never mind. That's just me. Okay, it's working. So, void, main. Let's try to do it like that. I will already create the different parts. So we have... oh, it's been really a while. Damn, I like to try to figure out what I should put as the default shader. So it's model position equal model matrix multiply by, we need a 4, so vec4 position 1 because we need perspective. Yeah, vec4 view position equal view matrix multiply by the model position, and then we can do the projection position, projected projection equal projection matrix multiply by, this song is a bit boring, let me change that. Come on. Projection position. What was I doing? Ah, yeah, view position. And GL underscore position with a upper P equal the projection position. All right, I probably broke some stuff there. We will see that shortly. GL prog color equal vec4. We're gonna have some transparency at the end, but we don't care now. 1.0, 1.0, 0.0, 1.0, and we do that. All right, did I do a mistake or what? I think it's fine. Let's see. It's a good training. Always do that. Even if you fail, that's the point. If you fail, it means that you need to practice and you are doing it. And at the end, you will do it faster because you don't need to check some snippets or whatever. So even if you fail, it's good to do that. Shader, no, Vertex Shader and Fragment Shader. So, let's go, first try. Damn. Just like I've been doing that for years. What's GLSL? It's like composition. If you want to learn about that, check this course. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, sometimes the button doesn't work. Oh, wait, it's not working. Ooh, my buttons are broken. No, I can't send links anymore. What's happening? 3. Oh, that's it. Oh, thank you. You did it. Yeah, GLSL is the programs you send to the GPU, and they will be used to position the vertices, which are the points of the geometry, and to add a color to that geometry. All right, I know it's a lot in one row, but that's the idea. You have the Vertex Shader. It's a program that will position each one of the vertices. The same program will position every point. I can show you the vertices. Talking about those. Like that. So there is a grid, kind of. And the fragment shader will add a color to it. And each visible, we say pixel, so it's more fragments, but we can say pixels, will be colorized by this program. And it's your GPU that will do that. And if you want to learn more details about that and how to write them, just join the Three.js Journey course. Yeah, why can't I post it? Let me test. Hugs. Yeah, it's broken. Come on, my loop deck was working just fine. I broke it somehow. Can I do that? Okay, I can change the songs. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, I don't know, I broke something. GLSL is a pain. Yeah, a powerful pain. And as always, when something is hard, the harder it is, the more valuable your knowledge will be once you master it. Remember that. If anything is hard, go ahead. Does your room include physics? Not yet. I don't think we will add physics. I was thinking of adding a way to, I don't know, like if you guys connect to the stream, we have a balloon for each one connecting to the stream and the balloon bounce around. I think it's, no, I don't think I will go that far. Maybe later. Pale Night. Yeah, that's it. It's Pale Night. The theme is Pale Night, and you can get it inside the community material theme. Community material theme on VS Code, because the community version is still updated. While watching your last stream. Oh, nice. So how is the unwrapping going? BioDev? Bye Anto, probably already gone, sorry. Hello again, Bruno. Hey. Is it the image made with only code? No. This image is we did the model and the texture in Blender, and now we import it in the browser. By the way, everybody, you can test it. Oh no, it's not working. I forgot. I'm so sad. My loop deck is not really working anymore. I broke something clearly. So yeah, you can test it there. Add particles represent each viewer, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Oh, that's what I did with regex. Does your own include physics? Not blues? What? Not blues? We are still talking about keyboards. MX keys, MX Master 3. Let's not dive into that. Because anyway, I know I will not buy one soon anyway. To use a dock to switch between PC and Mac. Yeah, I was thinking of that too, a way to switch easily, but in fact I have really like, right now I'm using both the Mac and the PC at the same time. Even when I'm gaming and do that a lot, it needs to be really fast. Like I just move my hand and that's all. So no, I don't really switch between them. Can you do a mechanical linear keyboard with some foam? It's pretty silent. Okay. The Google Home lights are subtle, but add a lot. Yeah, that's the idea. Cool details that add a lot to the overhaul. Will you add RGB to the PC? No, because I don't have RGB on my PC, and I will never have that. I find it cool, but totally useless. So no RGB on my PC. What is the framework to do what I'm doing right now? It's Three.js. And if you want to learn about Three.js, damn, I have to write it for myself now. So sad. Here's the link. Mini wooden palette on your desktop, on your desk. Yeah, that's it. Amazon wooden palette. Super cool. They look great. I really like the style of those palettes. You messed up the vertices while unwrapping. Yeah. Suggestion for the stream. Let us watch you update your website with a section called What I Use, where you can answer all of these questions. What I use? What do you mean? Suggestion for a stream. Let us watch you update your website. Talking about my portfolio? What I use, where you can answer all those questions. For the question, what's my setup? The idea is to use that. I mean, people will just be able to hover or something like that on the different parts of my setup and see, I don't know, information on it. I will not do that on stream. I mean, not yet, but that's the idea. Okay, he's still sleeping. I can continue. If you look mini palette, yeah. Really? They will end up delivering actual, yeah. Use tech? I don't know what's use tech, so no. Yes, I did a Three.js Journey. RGB is so annoying, got some PC parts from a friend that don't allow you to turn it off. Oh, really? Oh, that's sad. I mean, maybe you can take a case that is closed. Me, I have like a... But you can see it. That's my PC case. It's a big black PC case, just sober as possible. And that's exactly what I wanted. Your sites are amazing, thank you. And I have a new one coming shortly. I asked, can we talk about this website? And I think I still can't talk about this one. It's a really cool one. I will show you guys on stream. Lesson 8. Yeah, more to go. Much more to go. The Elgato key light. Oh yeah, I've just forgot to export the light, but I need to do the whole baking again. So I will fix that later. Anyway, I need to add some more stuff on the desk because I did some changes. Any ETA on when we can see it? The website? It was supposed to be a month ago. I don't know what's happening. They have issues and I want everything to be perfect before communicating, and we just wait. You will see it's almost like a small game. There are 2 huge WebGL parts. The performances are great. The website is, you have so many models and it's so light. The style is very specific. I mean, you will see it's a cool website. Really cool website. I feel like I just got a MacBook Pro. Condolences. I'm trolling. Let's not talk about it. All right, let's do it. I'm thinking, should we use... Yeah, I think I will do the texture using a Perlin. It's not good for performances, but still it will take way too long if we don't do it. So yeah, let's use some Perlin. Let's find it on, what's the name? GLSL, Perlin noise. Don't scream. What's the name? Gist. Yeah, that's the one. All right, we need a 2D Perlin noise, so I will deactivate this one. We need transparency. True, yeah. And we are going to use... shoot, my back. Classic Perlin noise, why not? It's a 2D classic Perlin noise, I think I can use that. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Do I have GLSLify? Where is it? There. Yes, I have GLSLify. Okay, that might be a good idea. Partials. Never know how to do it. So Perlin 2D.gsl. We can do that. And we need to send it GLSLify. And we need to export it, and to export one, so we can import it like that. So it's gonna be Perlin 2D, or just Perlin 2D. We can import it from... Oh, he's waking up. Partials, Perlin 2D.gsl. And then how can we export? How do you export? Yeah, like that. I can't remember this one. I always forgot the beginning, like Pragma, I don't know. And the name is gonna be C-Noise. We can rename it Berlin 2D. Not that important. We wanna use... we might use a 3D one too. I don't know. I really don't know where this is going. We just need to test stuff and see where this is going. So I broke it, obviously. You don't like it? Why? Do we have JS Edify? Yes, we do. From partials. Is it a relative one? It seems like I'm doing something wrong there. Export Berlin 2D. Export Berlin 2D. We have the fade, but this one we don't really care. It's being used there. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, never mind. It's point. Because we need to go up. Yeah, okay, that's it. Now it's broken. Permute. Yeah, okay, there's one missing, I guess. Yes. We need to fix that gist. It's better. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. So let's move the default camera because I don't want to move it every time. We need to change. It's gonna be... No, it's not on the camera actually. It's on the navigation. Yeah, that's the one. Damn, so much code. So the target, we need to move it somewhere. Let's do target value. Yeah, let's add it under it. Set. I guess it's gonna be, I don't know, -2 x z positive 2. Oops. Positive 2? Nope. Negative 2? Yeah, that's it. All right, maybe more. -3, -3, 3, 3. Like that. Yeah, okay. So it's gonna be a bit faster. And we can also change the zoom. And the zoom is on the spherical. And the spherical is there, and we can change it there. So it's a bit ugly, but we'll remove that once we are done with it. So yeah, I think it's the radius, and we can do... Let's put the limit. It's 10. Let's lower the limit a bit. 5. So that we can zoom in a bit more. Yeah, that's it. Okay, cool. Now we can see it. So here is the idea. First, we work just slightly on the pattern. Once we're happy with the pattern, we create more animation. Not too much on the pattern first. At the end, I want it to twist and to move like that, so the pattern will be randomized by the general animation, I think. So no, it's a float. Float, Perlin. Should I use Perlin? Yeah, let's do Perlin. Perlin 2D. We need the UV. I forget the UV. It's not going to work. The UV, did I export it, the UV? Not even sure. Please don't wake up, don't wake up, don't wake up. No, he woke up. No. Okay, he's sleeping. Okay, nice. Oh, come on. No, he woke up. No. He did a spin, that was so funny. Oh, okay, sleeping again. Damn, this boy is crazy. We need something fully white, and we play with the alpha. Yay, cool. All right, so here's the idea. Should we use tweak pen? Yeah, I think so. This is exactly the kind of moment that you better use a lot of tweaks to find the right values. If I multiply by 10, we get something smaller. Yeah, okay, that's cool. So here's my Steam. What a start. We are creating some smoke, and we're going to animate the smoke. That's the idea. What are my PC specs? I don't know. I always forget about what I have inside my PC. I just know that it's a RTX, but an old generation. One of the first RTX. I didn't care about RTX and ray tracing, but it wasn't that expensive and the performances were good, so I took it. I need a new one anyway to play Battlefield. RGB. When disabling RGB, you can go CMYK. Do you know how to do that in Windows iOS? Oh, that sounds complicated. I don't know what you guys are hacking, but I just got my MacBook. Ah, okay. Es-tu le mec qui a fait la voiture? Yep, I'm the portfolio guy. I should add this to the descriptions about me, the portfolio guy. All right, cool. Let's go. Are those working again? Let me test. Yeah, no, my loop deck is broken. I'm so sad. No, I will not do it live. Massive difference. You should upgrade, make a massively difference when working in Blender. Yeah, I guess. The problem when you're doing real-time work, I mean, I'm doing WebGLs, is that you tend to forget about performances if your performances are too good. Like if you're always like between 0 and, I don't know, like 3 milliseconds to render, you're like, oh, it's fine, performances are great. You deliver to the client and the client says, this is beautiful, but it's not working on my computer. Whoops. So, not too powerful. Obviously with the latest RTX, it's gonna be way too powerful. Hydrate. Drink, guys. And not coffee, we said earlier. All right, so we need to add a bunch of tweaks. Uniform, so what do we need? We need frequency. It's kind of the visual frequency. Let's just use frequency. The other one is going to be time frequency, I guess. Or UV frequency. Yeah, let's do that. Value, new, vector 2. Oopsie. That's a mistake. Okay. UV frequency, yeah, that's all. And we can add a tweak. So let's try to do the tweak from memory. If this .debug, so if we have a debug activated, oops. This .debug folder, that's the folder we created at the start, add input, and we have to add. Let's add a bit more like this. Mesh, material, add input, so it's going to be on the material uniform, and it's going to be on the UV frequency. And the name is going to be value. I mean, the property name is going to be value. And then we can add stuff like, oh, actually it's X and I. Yeah, we need to be careful with that. So value, we have two things. We have X and Y. Let's do separate input. Min is going to be, I don't know, like 0.001. Max going to be 20. And a step, we can use the minimum value. I think this is kind of logical. All right. Let's test. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, it's working. We can do the same for the Y. Like that. Everything is the same. We could have used the one I told you about earlier. Check that. Where is it? Where is it? Number. Oh, sure. Where is it? Oh, this one. But I'm quite sure it's going to break because we have more stuff on the vector. Anyway, add some bugs. I don't want to use it anymore. I prefer those simple handles like that. So now we need to use it. So to use it, we need to import it. Vec2. What's the name? Ah, yeah. UV frequency. And then we just need to multiply it like that. Now, yeah, check that. It's working. So something quite big. Yeah, check that. That's exactly what we want. So we have, I know what I should do for the navigation. That bothers me so much. Let me check that. I can't click on those. See, it's not working. It's because we are, how do you say, preventing default events, and we are preventing default events on window. So it's a mess, but we can get the target. Yeah, that's it, we can get it there. Let me think. Target, get bounding recs. What is exactly the target? Add, event listener, mouse up, mouse down. Those can be on window, but this one can be there. Mouse down, yeah. Target element and target element, we can get it. Target element. What do we get? So it's still working, everything is working, left click, right click, but yeah, now we can select that. And I lose the values, so I think it was 6, and how big? 2.5, yeah, this one is cool. That's why you need tweaks. It would have taken ages and we would have stayed on something that is actually not the best value possible. Add tweaks. I know it takes minutes, you lose time adding those, but then your final experience is much better. So just do it. Alright, that's cool. Then we need to send the time. So we need to update it too. In the world, I think. Yeah, we already updated. Do we have the time in this one? Yes, we already have the time. Oh, we have everything. You just need to add the uniform. So I like to add it at first because we use it almost everywhere. After the Steam, I think I will stop anyway. We'll see when Boys wakes up. So it's just a float. Yet again, this project is so slow, so long, but it's cool. I'm having fun, so let's continue. This model material.uniforms. I'm getting used to Windows. That's great. Value equal, and when I will get back to Mac, it's gonna be a mess. By the way, I will check the chat. I saw some messages. Give me a moment. Equal this time dot elapsed. Then we duplicate this one. We get the U time. It's a float, and you know where this is going. I'm going to offset the UV. So let's add a name. So vec2 UV equal this little guy. UV dot y plus equal. It's probably not plus, but I don't know. Let's use. And we multiply it by 0.001, something like that, maybe. And like that. Let's see. Yeah, obviously. So it's minus. Yeah, that's it. So now it's a bit too far, but yet again, we need to add some tweaks. Uniform, float, U, time, frequency. So we have the UV frequency, and then we have the time frequency. I like when it all comes together nicely sometime. We can do that. U frequency, U time frequency. Oops. Let's see. Yeah, okay, we get the same result, but now we can add a tweak for this one too. So this time it's on itself, so it's U time, I mean it's on the value itself. So value minimum 0.001. Yeah, a bit less. And maximum, I don't know, 0.05 maybe? Oh no, that's not it. What's the minimum value? 0.01? It should have worked. Maybe I did something wrong. 0.005? What? No, I'm messing with something right now. Uniform. Oh, it's U time frequency. Yeah, my bad. Oh, by the way, we can change the name to label. Let's use that. Yeah. So now it's fast and now it's slow. So you can get the right value. So let's find a good value. Yeah, I like this one. Alright, cool. 2 hours, 47 minutes. Are you guys checking for the giveaway? I wonder. I knew a lot of people are here for the giveaway. It's fine. Does somebody know a tweak pen like, but in 3D XR compatible? Yes, there is one from wait. I can find it. Give me a moment. Oh, give me some physics libraries, 3D physics libraries. Ammo, bullet. Shoot, there's another one. It's not that famous, unfortunately. lo.th, something like that. Yeah, that's it. This guy, he has exactly what you need, and it's gonna be maybe that. No, that's not it. I use this one, by the way. Yeah, maybe that's the one. Yeah, check this one. And I think you can have XR, VR, everything. I never tested it. We need to test it. Kaboom.js? What's that? Kaboom.js. Oh, that's more. Oof, what the hell? No, I was not thinking about this one. Whoop. What happened to your keyboard? Matter? No, it doesn't matter. Alright, cool. For the GSL knowledge. Nice. So yeah, here's the coffee. It's not done. We need to work on more stuff, but it's going well. Hello, nice room. Are you using Three.js? Yep, I am. Is that a lava lamp? Nah. It's coffee steam. I need to work on the alpha, but yeah, I think it's already cool. Super cool. What's the background music? I'm playing, let me get it. Stream Beats Lo-Fi. Stream Beats Lo-Fi. It's copyright free on Discord. Spotify. See, I'm getting tired. What time is it? Almost 7. Okay. Water is just water. Yes, it's just water. What do you think I'm drinking? Yeah, that was this one. Hey, Eddie. Just happy. All of you are too fast. What was the name? You are too fast. What was the name? It was Lo-Fi. Yeah, that's it. Loth. I already lost it. Anyway, I put the link. Had to complete an assignment, or else my teacher would turn into the opposite of Bruno. I'm a teacher, and when there are assignments, careful. What's the smoke glass pipe you're making? It's yeah, okay, that was a question. I don't know, it's just smoke from the coffee. We just need to work a bit more on it. So what we need to do now is make sure that the top is not too, I mean the alpha is lower on the top. We can do that quite easily, I guess. UV is going positive or negative? Let me try. Float border alpha equal uv.x multiplied by 10.0, and we need to check that one there. So we get something like that. It's going a bit too fast, maybe 3. Oh, 3 is that much? No, that's weird. And if I put 1, what do we get? Why is it going high that fast? It's not supposed to be that high. What's up with the UV? Let me check. Maybe I messed up the UV actually. No, the UV is fine.
It shall be on the y-axis, no?
No, I'm trying to do the one on the side. Good point, but that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, it's fine there. Yes, I need to lower the sound of the voice. I know. So those are at the bottom. No, that's so weird. The UV is supposed to be this one. Why do we get this? I have only one UV, I guess. Yeah, I think I'm just wrong about something. Let me find it. We are using the UV. Okay, we need to use the base UV. Yes, because we are playing with the frequency of the UV. That's why. So we have one on the left, one on the right. We can multiply it by, I don't know, like...
I got you there.
3. You need to sub if you guys want to use the say. Yay, hugs. 20 hugs. Should the top of the scene fade out? Yeah, you're right about that. We're going to fade the top too. That's for sure. Oh, by the way, there were not that many people when we talked about that. We have emotes coming shortly, and you can see them there. What do you guys think? I just love them. I mean, especially boy. Yes, I already have emotes about my dog. I'm like that. There is one missing. It's gonna be the sad one, and yeah, I can't wait to add those to Steam. What does the hugs do? Nothing. Hugs give pleasure. That's all. I just had fun with the comments. I was using Nightbot for that. So yeah, I can't wait that the artists finish them, and I will add them to Twitch as soon as possible. What was I doing? Ah yeah. So we have this border alpha. We need to do the one on the other side, so it's gonna be 1.0 minus this one, and we do the exact same thing like that. And then we combine them, so it's gonna be the minimum value, I guess, between this one and this one. Like that. Yeah, it's working. We need to do the same on the... Actually, those can be even more short, like 4 maybe. Yeah, okay. And then we can do... Can we add multiple things to a min? Can I do that? I don't think so. Yeah, no, I can't. Too bad. Let's do another one. And vuv.white. And it should fade on the top, which is quite the opposite. So 1.0 minus that. Ah, we get... Oh, we need to multiply it? Ah, yes, I think that's what's not working. So this one, we need also to clamp it, but the clamp is supposed to be between 0 and 1, so we can just use a min. A min on a min. Damn, I don't like that. Let's just try to multiply it. We'll see where it goes. Multiply with that, so we can just do that. Yeah. I think it's gonna be fine. Might be something weird. Oh, come on. And then we can use the purling. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, it's cool. A bit weird. We are going to play with the position too. Yeah, maybe. Okay, still sleeping. Yeah, more like that, like 3. Yeah, I like it. Where is it? There. Finished work, nice. It's almost the end, but we got some time. Sorry, we got some time. Is it a famous artist? Who? Me? Artist? Not really. That came out wrong. Hug, pug. Oh, nice. So, let's make Bruno reach 30k followers on Twitter. Yay! How much do I have? Almost 27k. Nice. And you know, guys, that I asked for the, you know, the little badge, like official, and Twitter said no. Okay. I just wanted like an achievement, having the badge. No. Okay, I will try maybe when I reach 100k, I don't know. I was so sad. What a fail. We need to change the color. It's maybe too... Yeah, it doesn't match. Like if you have warm light, you should have kind of a warm white color. The emote... Yeah, it's someone on Fiverr. I will share the link. It's on Fiverr. I don't know, I prefer not to connect to things like Fiverr there, you never know, but yeah, I will share it once we add it. Check the Discord. Once they are done, I will say who did it. Instagram does give blue tick without much question. Yeah, I bet. Shoo, I'm getting tired. I was doing... What was I doing? The color? We can do the color. Let's do the color. So which is sad is that the color is going to be... Oh, actually, can we just lower the alpha? If we lower the alpha, it doesn't get that white. No, let's add the color. So let's try to add the color just like that. Red. So then we need to do add input, something like that. Color. There we need to say that it's the color, so this one is not going to change. We need to set the view to color, so that yeah, I've heard this one too much. Just like that. I think it will work just like that. Okay, then we need to plug it, so we can use let's use it there. Hue color. And we can use this one. And when we do a change, any change, we can do... So I think it's on change. Sirens again. Don't wake up my boy. He's sleeping so well. I don't know if you guys can hear. Okay, yeah, he's a bit awake. And we can use this model.color. And we can use it. And we can use it just like... So it's a vec3, hue color. And we can use it there. And it's supposed to be a red smoke. Yeah, okay, it's working. So nice. So from a bit far away, so this is a chemical coffee. Let's fix that. So it's almost white, but we just add... Yes, that's exactly what we need. Just a small tint like that. That's cool. Not too much.
Chemical coffee.
We need to make sure that it doesn't go above 1. I think with the pairing noise you can have any value, so yeah, maybe we need to fix that. I think that's cool. Yeah, that's great. Maybe we need more frequency like that. Yeah, this one is better. Like 5. Yeah, let's do that. 5 and 6. 5 and 4. Yeah, that's cool. Do we really need to move it? I'm gonna do it anyway, but maybe not that useful. Let's make sure, yeah, so I was going to clamp it. So below 0, we don't really care, so the minimum value between this one and 1.0. I don't know, actually, we just use it in the alpha. Maybe it doesn't change a thing. Let me test. I just want to see what happens when you go above 1. I think it doesn't change a single thing. Ah, we get this. Okay, I get it. Yeah, no, it's not going into the white. Let's just make sure we don't go above 1 anyway. Oops, that's not what I meant. A little tall, you think? Yeah, maybe. But I will add an animation. I want to see a bit more. Maybe we will lower it. But right now I'm going to complete the galaxy generator. Nice, good luck. Don't forget to post on Discord. Do you can play on opacity for the color? No, it's a different value, but you can do it. I mean, the color class, it's just the color, not the opacity, but still we can add an opacity variable too. I might add that after. Minesweeper is a truly horrible game. Ambulance, yeah. Warm color, the smoke, yeah. It's like a box of chocolates. You don't know what you're going to get. That's the first time I was using Fiverr, actually. I contacted the first artist. She told me, yes, I can deliver on like end October. That's a bit far, so I was like, no. But yeah, I'll find someone else. I will post it on Discord. May the force be with you. Bye, Bruno. Okay. All right, that's nice. Let's do what I wanted to do, which is playing with the position, and we can do quite the same thing. Let me think.
Luke, I am your father.
Maybe we need the Perlin again. And then we can play with the position. Let's think. The model position? Or the position? Yeah, maybe the model position. It's more absolute values. So, float. Let's do it fast and then we are done. And hopefully, boy will still be sleeping and we can do the giveaway. And he just woke up. Go back to bed. Go back to bed. Go back to bed. Okay, sleeping. Berlin. Okay. It's so stressing. So stressing. So it's on the UV. Yep, I guess. We are going to need... Oh no, he's waking up. Oh. Okay, let's do the same. And then we can play... it's gonna be the Z, Y, I don't know. And now let's do it on the position instead. I changed my mind. Vec3, new position. So that we can rotate it and we get the same results. So this is how you copy Vec3. That's a bit weird, but yeah, it's not a reference. You can just copy by assigning to a new variable. And then we can do... We can use it first. That's the thing I always forgot. And it's going to be on the Z, X, X maybe, plus equal. That's probably the Z. Okay, it was the Z. Oh, no, it's not. The Y? Ah, maybe I rotated. Ah, yes. Yeah, okay, that's it. So it's ugly as F. Don't worry, we're gonna fix that. 0.1. Yeah, okay. So here's the ID. We need to animate it. So uTime. I'm not sure this is a good idea. I already like what we have with just the fragment shader, but still, I just want to see where this one is going. So we need a lower frequency, maybe something like that. Vec2, smoke, displacement. UV equal UV. Then we multiply it. Then we add the time, displacement UV.y minus equal. I hope this time it's fine. The U time, and we multiply it by, I don't know, 0.001. And we use it. Yeah, okay, cool. Slower. Oh, the frame rate is strange. Oh, I already multiplied it, that's why. Is it going somewhere? Not sure. We can fix that easily. Yeah, I think it's going somewhere. I'll probably remove it on the next session, but still I think it's going somewhere. Draw, what is it? Def, right, pose. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's going somewhere. We need something slower. I don't think I will add tweaks for this one. Maybe we can just, oh, by the way, we can just rotate it to make sure it kind of fits, look at in the direction of the camera. Oh, we can rotate it toward the camera too. What do we, don't we have some? Okay, it's working. Is it a good idea or not? Make it always look toward the camera. What happens if we turn around? Actually, if we turn around, because of the displacement, we can still see it, so it's fine. We can use the Fresnel to make it disappear, but oh, it's way too much. I think it's pretty cool. We can just play with, so the top was above or not? Yeah, so we need to do 1 minus the value. About multiplying it. Perlin. Displacement. Strength. GTH, yeah. GTH. So it's UV, no. 1.0 minus UV point Y. And we do that. So, oh, was it? Maybe it's the opposite. Yeah, maybe. Multiply by 10.0. Just checking. Yeah, it's going like up a lot. Can we do an exponential on this one? Is it exp? No, it's po. Po of this. Oh, it's from 0 to 1, so no, it's not working, obviously. So if I do multiply by 3... Sorry, I'm in my thing right now. Yeah, okay, that's it. So if we do 2, maybe it's gonna be enough. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So I'm not fully convinced. We tend to see, but from far away, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, that's cool. We see the polygons a bit, and I don't want to play with Fresnel on that. It's gonna be too much just for a small shader and bad for performances, and we have very good performances. I wanted to work on even like, how you say, mobile. I mean, it won't slow down any further if I multiply it by too large factor. But yes, this is an excellent idea. Oh, the Evangelion album, yeah. I was listening to the music because I was watching the movie and it made me thought of it. Is it depending on the GPU itself? I also have weird number for time. Do you prefer the U time and spacing from the course? What does the def write do? Oh, that's a bit complex. The idea is that when you write polygons, the GPU will decide if there is something in front of it or not to write it. Like you see the chair, it's in front of us, so we have to write it, but the wall behind doesn't need to be right. So this is what the def write is writing. When the chair is being drawn on the screen, it will also draw on a depth, like a depth texture, it will draw that there is something at that depth. And when something else gets drawn, it will test, are you in front of it? So it draw it, or are you behind it? And what we had with the smoke is that the smoke was kind of hiding itself, and we had a bad result. We say, just act like you are not writing on the depth texture, which is a depth buffer, and so that it just draw itself and doesn't really like hide itself. Because we're using transparency, it was all messed up. It's very specific. Very specific. From the side, it's quite cool. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. Oh no, he's waking up again. No. Do you prefer the U time in seconds or milliseconds? I find in milliseconds, if I need to slow it down, it stops after a certain number. I think seconds is better. I just never took the times of updating my library, the U time class, I mean. But you're right, when you have a value way too high, it kind of just bug. So yeah, it's a good idea to use the seconds instead. And it's even more easy when you try to figure out how fast it is. You just think of it as seconds and it's much easier. 25 seconds in my sweeper, God. I just woke up and I thought Bruno is telling me to go back to bed. I just woke up. No, stay here. I'm long dead. Anytime my native language is French, so I get the difficulties of English. Alright, is that all with Three.js? Yeah, Blender plus Three.js. Indeed. 3 hours again? Yeah. I'm getting the... How do you say endurant? How do you say endurant? Endurant. Resilient? Endurance? Patient? Yeah, you got it anyway. I'm not even doing it on purpose. I try to stream until I'm too tired or bored, and so yeah, 3 hours is cool. Depth, profondeur, if ever some Frenchies are in the chat. Yeah, profondeur in French. Mediterranean countries, we don't get that long coffee trail. Yeah, no, it's actually too much. I know. You know what? Let's reduce it just with the alpha. Like when you work like 1 hour on an effect, you just want it to be fully visible. That's a classic mistake I do. Let's lower it slightly. We can just play with, oh, what did I just? So yeah, that's better. Perlin, multiply by, I don't know. Should we do it before? Yeah, actually, let's do it before. 0.6. And I will not add a tweak for this one. Yeah. That's cool. So. Oh, by the way, I can show it to you guys. Yeah, okay. Alright, should be updating. Let's wait 1 minute, I guess. I'm so sad for the Kojima glass. It's my favorite. Check that. Oh, let's see if it's working. It's camera. So cool. Can't wait to play Death Stranding again on PS5. If I get a PS5 one day, maybe. Oh, by the way, let's drink. All right. 3 hours for nonsense to tire Bruno. Yeah, maybe. And it took 3 hours to create this animation and this animation. Yeah, but I like that. I mean, spending time on details, I just like that. Anyway. How many years did it take for you to reach this level with Three.js plus Blender? It's hard to say because I've been doing much more for years Right now, yes, I'm focusing on Blender and 3.js. I do other things, but mostly Blender at 3.js. So it's really hard to say. I've started Blender with the Orano website. I don't know if you guys saw the Orano. It's a Orano experience, something like that. A bit hard to find. And yeah, I started with that, but just to create a few models, and then I stopped, and then for another project. And Orano was like 4 years ago, maybe? I don't know. So yeah, I think 4 years ago, but WebGL I started earlier, and it was, we did the calculations 6 years ago maybe. But yet again, I was doing website, PHP, backend, frontend, API, Vue.js, so many stuff, and just on the side WebGL. So you can get at that level much faster if you focus on that. 80-20 about what? It takes an hour. Do you ever use any web framework? Yes, I do. I tend to avoid, but I've been using like Vue.js a lot. And I did use some React too. Not a big fan, but still I think it's great. And right now I just like to not use, like for the Three.js Journey course, no framework, like no front framework, and it's just fine. It's working perfectly, and it's so simple. I can't show you the code, but it's so simple. The code, front, back, everything is so simple. I really like it. Where do you learn WebGL from? Bro. This is where you learn WebGL. Take that course, 40 hours of video, and you will step up the game. Vue team. Yeah, I need to test. Just to test it, React 3 Fiber. I mean, really test it, because I've been doing some tests just for fun and to check it out, but I really need to dig that. Yeah. Okay, cool. Sorry, I'm getting dissipated. I need that coffee. Next part we are going to do, let me check what we need to do. Oh, what's that? So yeah, if you guys want to test, let me check if it's online. I guess it is. Oh, I forgot to put back the what's the name? Ah yeah, the camera, the navigation, the view. That's it. I will save this one just in case we need. So anyway, on the live version, you need to zoom out. Not a big issue. We will fix that on the next version. So it's live. If you guys want to test it, here is the link. It's the last one. And yeah, so I was checking. So I need to add more objects and fix the Elgato light. That's for me. Or maybe we can do some modeling tomorrow too. Camera is done, so it's more like the view. Coffee smoke, rotating chair. Yeah, this one should be easy. Plants in the wind, which is weird because the window is closed. But anyway, let's do it. I think the plants is going to be as easy as the coffee, which took 1 hour. I know. Mods, if we do it day and night, that should not be that complicated. I need to think about this. The screens, still, I need to think about it. And light controls. Yeah, I think tomorrow, if I stream tomorrow, I mean next session, we do those and we can do some modeling. And yeah, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be cool. I can't wait to do the next project. It's gonna be much smaller. I think in 1 or 2 sessions, the next project is gonna be done. It's gonna be a cool background for the stream, you will see. All right, you know what's happening now? And coffee in the mug. Do you really need to add coffee in the mug? I think you just can't really see that there is no coffee. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong. Yes, I will maybe add it. Yeah. Yeah, it's hug times. Yeah. If people could just make their room and we could put them on a website. Ah yeah, that would be funny. Actually, someone did a cool video. It has nothing to do with that. We do the giveaway, don't worry guys. But someone did, a video of a ball. It's not WebGL, but it's videos of a ball that falls through different environments. There is something like 300 environments, and the balls continue falling between those. I don't know if you guys can find the link, if some of you know what I'm talking about. And it's crazy because you have 300 artists that did that, and you have this one board that goes through all those projects. And yeah, maybe we could create rooms too. That would be funny. That would be funny. Add coffee in the mug. I'm creating my room. Trust the force. Alright, cool. Give a hug. Punisher. What's that? Oh, that's the guy who did it? Let me check. Punisher. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's it. Oh, sorry, 100. So many advertising. Disgusting. Yeah, that's it. I really like this one. It's a bit out of subject, but do we say out of subject? Anyway, so many artists. Oh, check that. I will send the link. Damn, I hate those advertising. All right, let's do the giveaway. I know some of you, many of you, not all of you, I hope, are waiting for that. Let me prepare the thing. Voucher. Like that. All right, that's cool. I need Nightbot. So here's the thing. If you guys want to learn Three.js, you need that course. So this is the one I made, 40 hours of video to learn Three.js, which is exactly what we are doing currently. If you want a chance to win the Three.js Journey, you need to put in the chat only once. You can put it 10 times. It won't change a thing. You need to write. Wait for it. Coffee. C-O-F-F-E-E. Let's go. I want coffee in the chat. I know it's too late for coffee, but let's put coffee in the chat. Yeah, uppercase, lowercase, that doesn't change a thing. Just make sure you put the right letters. C-O-F-F-E-E. No. Even if the afternoon, it's too late for coffee. Oh, 48. Oh, damn, so many. 50. Oh, wait, we have someone to raid? Be careful, B1. Oh yeah, now it's fine. Let's wait one minute, just in case some people have some lag. I wanted to check something. Yeah, do we have someone to raid? I know Basti is not streaming.
Coffee G.
Nice try. Yeah, no one to raid. It's okay. So, who's gonna win? Let me just prepare something. Up, Nightbot. Let's roll. And congratulations to Isaac Tyne 95. Isaac, can you put something in the chat so that I can use that I can send you a whisper? Chances are getting so low now that there are so many people participating. Isaac, come on, I need you in the chat. Where are you? Actually, let me think. I need to do it. Isaac, can I find you like that? No, it's not working. Yeah, I got you. I need to find a way to send whisper more easily. Nightbot has a bug, maybe it's on my computer. Here you go, man. Congratulations. Enjoy the course. And yeah, go to the Discord, members only Discord server once you're logged in. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy. One day we will win, guys. Don't know if you noticed this little glitch on the table. You can see it and through. Really? Like on the chair and the PC. What? Can we? Chair and PC. I don't see the glitch. I don't see it. You will have to send me a proof. Send me a proof on Discord. Don't forget to turn off the camera. Yeah, that's a good idea. Actually, it's because I was doing a red and I felt like, okay, it was done. I did the red and then I stopped the red. But yeah, I will make sure I don't forget this time. Netflix engineer. Read yourself. You do that. When they were in, let me just finish reading the messages. Yeah, we love coffee. Yes, we do. Trust code is live. Oh, what? Easy? Let me check. Twitch, trust code. Yes, you're right. Let's go, guys. Let's see trust code. You will like it, I'm sure. His streams are very entertaining. Web channel, trust code. Start red. Get ready, people. And let's mess up with this chat. Bye, everyone. It was a cool session. Maybe see you tomorrow.